Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. And today's video I'll try to do the charging test of the Poco X3 device after the recent software update. And a lot of users, they did ask me this kind of question: is this charging speed got decreased or not, and how is the charging, and what is the temperature it's reaching when charging the device after this kind of recent software updates with this phone. So let's see friends, in this video, how much time the phone actually takes to complete charge. And right now the phone percentage is about 2%, as you can clearly see here. So let's see how much time it actually takes. And before the update, the phone used to take in the beginning that time close to 70 minutes of time, 65 to 70 minutes of time full charge. So let's see friends, in this video, how much time the phone actually takes to charge as well. And in case of the battery life details, I'll try to use the phone for the next couple of days, and I'll be coming up with the battery backup details of this phone as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those upcoming videos. And here I do have this kind of stopwatch ready, so let me try to keep the stopwatch. So it is a stopwatch ready, and here is the charger as well. So which I am using is a 33 watt charger. So I'm using the same charger and the same cable which came along with the box, so nothing got changed here. So right now the phone battery percentage is of 2%. So let me try to quickly connect the charger and check the temperature. So let's see friends, how much time right now the phone will be able to take to complete charge. The charger has been successfully connected, and it is the temperature check. Temperature is at 28 degrees, and the estimation time is about 1 hour and 13 minutes, as you can clearly see. This is the estimation time. So let's see whether the phone will be able to charge in this kind of estimation time or not. So this is what I'm looking at, whether the phone takes actually more time or less time. So again, I'll be back friends after phone get completely charged. And meanwhile, you can see the phone indication as well, charging rapidly, which says clearly, as you can see. So let me try to disconnect and connect again, so you will know exactly I'm using the 33 watt fast charger depending on the animation what I'm getting, as you can see, and my turbo charge. So overall, I'm trying to use the same original charger which came along with the box. So again, I'll be back friends once the phone get completely fully charged, and meanwhile we can see what's going on as well. So maybe I'll try to be back after 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, let's check the temperature, and again after complete charge, we'll check the temperature again. So this will be the perfect example of this phone. As you can see friends, it's been exactly 30 minutes of charging the phone, and the phone battery charged up to 65% in the 30 minutes, and the temperature, as you can see, it reached to 35 degrees on the front side of the phone. And let me try to remove the case and show the back side reading. It's about 34. So overall 35 degrees has been reached to the maximum. So this will give you the results as well. So in 30 minutes the phone got 65% charge. So that's a really good impressive score charging rate in the Poco X3, even after long time of using this device as well. So again, I'll be back friends once the phone get completely fully charged, so we can discuss about the timing, how much it is after the software updates. As you can see friends, right now the time is about 1 hour and 3 minutes. So overall it's about 63 minutes. So right now, as you can see, it's 99%. So let's see friends, how much more time it will take to charge the 100%. So the estimated time is about 1 minute exactly. So let's see whether the phone will be able to charge within the time or not. And 32 degrees right now. So after 30 minutes of charging, the temperature was increased to 34, and right now it remained at 32 degrees. As you can see friends, the phone charge is completed to the 100% about exactly 1 hour and 4 minutes. So it took about 64 minutes and 65 minutes of complete charge in the Poco X3, even after the recent update. So this is a quick check on the charging test on this Poco X3, and for more details, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And don't forget to check the links in description friends for live wallpapers what I'm using in this video. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.